Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove channels from WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to remove channels, first of all, you need to go to the channel section. Here you can see the update section at the bottom. Tap on it. Now in this page, you can see the channel section over here. If you tap on this explore button right next to it, you can explore all the channels that you can join to. But here in this page, you'll only see the channels that you have joined. And in order to remove channels from your WhatsApp, all you have to do is tap and hold on the channel that you want to remove. After that, tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner. And here you can see unfollow option. Tap on it. It'll ask for the confirmation if you really want to unfollow. Select unfollow again. And there you go. That's how you can remove channels from WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.